This is a Budgie the little helicopter. I think this one's been updated with joysticks again. I believe it's 30. I believe it's 30. It's 50p actually.
It's
50p.
Are you going in?
Yeah. There's one going on. Start button message.
Please push the start button. Stand by to take off. Shuddering joysticks, rocketing rotors. Shuddering joysticks, shuddering joysticks, rocketing rotors. Whee! This is fun. Budgie to Pippa. Come in, Pippa.
It's a working Budgie. Yay!
Shuddering joysticks.
It's a working Budgie.
Rocketing rotors, shuddering joysticks.
Budgie are always working hard together. Little Jack and Lana in a new adventure.
Budgie to Pippa. Come in, Pippa. Whee! This is fun. Whee! This is fun. Budgie to Pippa. Come in, Pippa. Whee! This is fun. Rocketing rotors, shuddering joysticks, rocketing rotors.
Much better condition than the one in Town, isn't it?
Rocketing rotors. Budgie to Pippa. Come in, Pippa. Whee! This is fun. Whee!
I think he's been updated a bit as
This is
joysticks.
fun.
Me too, let's make those a little helicopter. Budgie's a little helicopter.
Thank you for flying with me. Come back soon.
And that was the Budgie the little helicopter kiddie ride from R.G. Mitchell.